If you're someone who wants to build a personal brand on LinkedIn, but you feel like your writing capabilities are not that up to the mark, then you need to watch this video, because in this video, I will show you how exactly to produce hundreds of LinkedIn posts in matter of few hours using AI. Now, let me tell you the first problem. When people, use AI to write content, it sort of looks something like this. Let me show you one of our friends who is doing this, and we need kind of an help in this. You just know, like, your ultimate choice server. Imagine having AI support. This is the kind of uh, a language that AI kind of creates, right? Now, when we write this sort of things with like this hashtags and all, what happens is people can just sense that it is written by AI. However, let me show you my posts, which are 100% written by AI, no manual intervention as so far, with which looks like this, with a great hook, great posts, and a lot of engagement, right? Now, in this video, I'll show you how exactly to do this by showing what is the wrong method to write LinkedIn posts and what is the right method to write LinkedIn post. Now, typically, when people want to create LinkedIn posts, let's say, for example, if I have to create a post on this, I would go to ChatGPT and say, write LinkedIn post on this, and then it kind of creates like a lot of text. Honestly, what I feel like, it's just a lot of words thrown around, and there is no depth into this content. Now, to fix this, I have found the best tool in the market, and you will be mind blown with the tool that I have found. And the name of the tool is called EasyGen. EasyGen.io. This is the name of the tool, and you can get early access, or you can simply go to Chrome extension. Just simply search for EasyGen Chrome extension. This is like the keyword, and it's built by this person named as Ruben Hassed. It was recently published to public, and for some reason it's not listed in Google yet. Let's say go to Chrome Web Store. So chromewebstore.google.com is what you can like go ahead and check and search for something called as EasyGen. Okay. Now you'll see this thing called EasyGen. Now EasyGen costs like $60 per month, but it also has a free trial, right? So all you have to do is basically add it to Chrome. In my case, it's already added to Chrome right here. Now, I'll not show the whole installation process because I've already done it for myself, or you know what, let me show you one, right, in a different profile. So I'll go to Chrome Web Store.google.com and search for EasyGen. Go here and add to Chrome, right, and add extension. Now here, all you have to do is basically, I'll just pin this once. All you have to do is put down your email and click on login. Oh, sorry, this email, I don't have an account yet, so I'll register there, right? And they'll send you a verification code on your email. In my case, this is this. I'll just put it down and click on register, right? Now it will take you through a small sort of like a wizard kind of thing. So what exactly do you want to portray? So I want to talk, I will post a lot of educational content. I want to talk about case studies. I want to talk about thought leadership, right? And then I'll click on continue. I want to build a personal brand, generate leads, share professional expertise, and probably promoting events or webinars. This is why I'm posting on LinkedIn. What is our writing style? Me personally, I am more educational, authoritative, inspirational, little bit analytical, right? And here, tell us our industry. So here we are talking a lot about like what kind of industry we are in. You can pick only one of these, so IT maybe. So at least we'll take that particular friend of mine who is into software development, or I could say like software development. I'll add this one. Okay. Now click on continue. And what is our role? If it is the CEO, founder, you can like put on that. Or if it's a developer, you can do that. Totally up to you. For now, let's go with executive, right? Let's go here. Let's say we need to find down the EasyGen. So put like couple of words. You can write like I absolutely feel that. Let's say I would say every coaching institute can become a global, national, or global name with the right infrastructure, and we help our clients build just that. This is just for EasyGen to understand your writing style. You can write a lot more, but let's go with this. This is fine, right? Now, mind you, this is a free version. The pro version is way better than this, right? I recommend you to go for the pro version. I'm not an affiliate. I've been using this to create posts, and because I love this tool so much, I'm recommending you this. Now, to create post, all you have to do is click on create a post. You can create, pick one of the posts here, or you can post the topic from early on. So in this particular case, what I'll do is I will probably take this one, and where did we go? Yeah, there we go. And I'll create a post and just paste the entire thing. You can also go to some competitor, pull out their tweets, what they're talking about it, where they're talking about such a topic, paste the whole tweet, and it'll make it better. Just click on generate post. Right? Look at the style of writing now. It's so much better, right? Now I can copy this part, come back and open like a Google Doc where I can paste it. Right? Here we are. Why your coaching institute needs a dynamic website. Let's say we can change the hook a little bit, where you can say a simple dynamic website for your coaching institute can double the leads you're getting, right? This is like the hook, and then yet most coaching issues struggle. Can double the leads you're getting. A little bit of formatting. Most coaching issues struggle with keeping their website fresh and engaging. It's time to see why dynamic websites are a game changer. Then this is it. Obviously, I would not exactly post this one because it's a why content. If you are in LinkedIn, it should be like how content, or it can be like mistakes to avoid content, or a little bit of depth, right? Those are the things that your industry expertise and knowledge should bring in, should not come from ChatGPT. But what EasyGen does, it will add like a very nice formatting and a really good, interesting copy so that people can follow. Now let me show you my posts which are performing well. I mean, I just posted today, and I'll show you the other posts as well that I have scheduled, and it literally took like, couple of seconds, just like you saw, right? It was about objection handling. I just said like, hey, give me an example of objection handling. It gave like a good example, and I just simply posted it, and it already has like the 530 impressions and a lot of people commenting, tagging other people, while this entire post is made with AI, right? If I show you my other posts, which are like in the pipeline, where do I do this? Yeah. So there is a post which talks about how to create urgency in sales. Again, 100% AI, 5 tips, right? And this is obviously another case study. I wrote this personally, not the AI thing, but this one, about systems and processes. What are the top metrics to track when you are a salesperson? So this again written by AI looks so good, right? It's not at all. It doesn't even feel like it's written by ChatGPT or something. Now this is the benefit of using EasyGen. I think in the free version you can do like 2 or 3 of these. Let me see what's the limit. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure like how how big is the prompt, but I think when I did like 3 of this post, my EasyGen said that your credits are over, and then I needed to like upgrade to Pro. And trust me, the Pro is even better because you can save all the posts that you have written. You can like organize them very nicely, and like you can like schedule them on LinkedIn, and you can even use these as tweets. So this is one of the game changers out there when it comes to like really posting LinkedIn posts or Twitter tweets or X posts, whatever you call it, right? And build your personal brand on top of this, right? Looking at the engagement, I really think this is an awesome tool. So if you're interested, I'll put the link of this particular tool in the comments or the description below. And again, I'm not an affiliate of this tool. I'm just promoting because it's an awesome tool to have for you as well, right? So yeah, let me know what are your thoughts regarding this tool in the comment below, and if you want me to produce certain more videos on the same, right? Thank you very much.